Dara, akong giyayahan, oh.
Amir!
Minor pa man good, yayahan jud. Diya pa isa akong giyayahan, oh. Diya pa.
Rock.
Hi everyone, it's me again, Irene. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, this is one of our laag before the pandemic time. It happened that I scanned my old CP and I find this videos worth remembering. So I plan to upload this video to reminisce those days that we are free to go anywhere without limitations. This video was in SM ECOLAND skating rink in Davao City. But before I will show you the video, meron akong pag-game. Ang mapapanalunan ninyo ay 50 pesos GCash plus 25 bananas. Gusto niyo ba yon? Okay, this is what you are going to do. Just simply arrange the jumbled words that will flash on the screen of my video. Please look closely to the video so that you can get all the words that is being flashed. And please observe correct sentence construction. So first three commenters can receive the said prize above. First three. So ano pang hinintay mo? Salid na. And please check the description below on where you are going to send your entry.
Sige. Dito mo gamay, ay paghawid, ana ba?
Ano? Ate Maye, dili ka kabalon na!
Ana nagpalayo na sila team.
Wala! Flip floppy! Ate Maye, dili pa!
Patuyokon pa sila. Ay, na may araw o sundon.
Ang mga yaya.
Isa. Kini, isa po ni kayaya. Sige atang. Huwag na ako na front cam. Diyan po daw, isa kayaya. Ang giyayahan. Para o. Sabi na ako si May na to. Oras May na. Lingaw mo siya gilibot po. Dara, akong giyayahan o. Minor pa man good. Yayahan jud. Diya pa isa akong giyayahan o. Diya pa.
Rock.
Kaya na po nila ilang ati. Ito pang isa na akong giyayahan. Para.
That's all for today guys. Hope you like my video, but please don't forget to hit like and subscribe. And please do hit the notification bell for more updates whenever I will post a new video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.